Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you magic things that your keyboard of your iPhone can do for your work. So if you are working for other languages and you need to translate a text or into another languages, so this tips is really match for you. So you need to open the documents that you want to translate. Here I think I will like to go with Google Sheets documents. I have this text over here, so all the text here is already in English, but then I would like to translate it into other languages. The thing that you have to do is just go click the text and go block the text that you want to translate. Okay, I think I would like to block all of them here. I already block all of the text, and after that you just need to take a look. After you block the text, there will be an options popping up. Go click this part to expand the options, and one of them could be a translate site, so you just need to go click them, and the iPhone will give you an options where do you want to translate it. So if you want to translate it into the other languages such as Germany or Italian or even the Japanese, it's probably can. So you just need to go click the Japanese, let's say, if you want to have it, and after that you can just go replace with the translation anyway if you want to do it right away, or you can also copy the translation. So if you want to replace this English text with the Japanese, go click replace with the translations, and you already got new text in Japanese. Hopefully this tutorial today useful for you guys, so thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.